what a team we support. Buccaneers, what a team we support, man. We support the best team in the country right now. I can say best team in the continent. There's this boy. We must watch out for him. Dancing shoes. Oh, what a quality player, man. We have a quality there.
It's the first game. The league is a marathon. Do you think that you are going to defend the league?
Definitely going to defend the league. We have the best players. We have the best coach. We have our squad quality. We have our tap team squad. We have quality. I have no doubt we're going to defend the league. We are the champions again.
You've lost a couple of your star players. Heriam, Fuke, Mbogati, Mpota, and then possibly some are going to go. Who is that player you think will make it for Paris this year?
For me, it's going to be Mpopa. I saw Lunga. What a quality. We have a number, I think it's 49. He's playing on the right. Yeah, I think number 49, right? Yeah, number 49. And I said Tenzin also. And then I see who's that goalkeeper? Our second goalkeeper now, Zadla. I think he's also going to get a chance and he's going to prove himself that he's good.
Yeah, baba, umbone njani uDancing? uDancing. Hey, sijabulile. And siqede lapho siyajazi number 41 singamazi igama. Hey, number 49 ebana lo isigebengu lo. Ubezoqeda abantu. Hayi siyabonga la.
Like defend the league, like defend the league.
Sundowns ayime kancane score.
First of all, I'm just a coach. I'm a big fan of football. I pay 100 rand today to come and watch Parades. Parades is a very good team. Iyak suffocate. If you are lucky, we are 35 minutes, say 0-0. I was expecting an early goal for the Parades, but it was the first game for the season. The boys didn't play up to the expectation, the intensity of Parades. Sorry?
Are you scared?
Because Parades is taking the league very serious. I'm signing also the way abadlala ngakhona, the way abenza izinto ngakhona. So we can't come. We can't come here. Siminye into engekho. Parades is playing very good football. So
Last question. Are you thinking that your team is going to give Pirates a good challenge this year?
no, not at all. I think it's Sundowns, but Sundowns they make a good signings. Abondlovu, Van Veek. I see Basane the Brazilian. I think Sundowns is gonna come, but I see this season is to go down to the wire. But Kaizer Chiefs, I don't think is ready to challenge these two big teams. I'm expecting the Chiefs even go 3 or 4. Parades for now is is ahead of us. But Uba being a rival, we're gonna do better. But Parades is doing very well.
Wow, Shimula, Omulomu, defenders and high. Sorry, Shimulu defenders are in us and Kayano. And I go with a way Pila playing. And the defenders arena. Defender Rostia happy.
With Pirates, it's a team that I've chosen, for happiness. Every game I come here, every day I even forget that sometimes life is not going on. But now, with Pirates, every day I'm happy. This is the only team that believe in the South African development of football. Every time teams, earlier in the beginning of the season, we recruit. And we are doing the best for the team. We are recruiting young players, South African players, and they are coming and at the end they become the stars of the world. Look at Relay today. It's very much far. And just yesterday, just to remind you, he makes a union toward the cup.
Not 100% nyana ke nyaka re lokishe tabela di offside change. Yeah, midfield to arena ke nyaka o lebelle di winger tsa rena ka mo gore tlalang ka gona re lokishe taba di offside ne. Yeah.
Which team are you mostly scared of this season?
No, I ke chabese. Ga botse go ka nna ne ke nyaka ba re fixture Sundowns next week.
Sibonga nje ngabafana abadlale kahle. Sinuqhubeka la sigcine kona last season. Okay, the first 5 games so idlala nje, make sure the first 5 games collector 15 points mfowethu. siyabakhulu badlala kahle abafana nje mfowethu.
Yini le team that you are scared of this season? Which team are you scared of?
Hayi mfowethu abafana bahle kakhulu. Ayikho team esisaba kule season mfowethu. Ama team wonke asabi Pirates.
Hayi so washaya.
So ashaya ukafetha ama team ayikho team esisaba.
No, to be honest, I'm not happy at all. Our performance today was very poor, to be honest. Like, go bolela nnete, mara performance ya rona e dropile too much compared to the one that last season, to be honest.
Ngithatha this opportunity ngibingelela abalandeli be-Orlando Pirates bonke the way babahle ngakhona yabona bashaya umswenko yaswenka la ekhaya kudlala izinja we are so happy sibalandeli be-Orlando Pirates. This league we are going to defend it, like it or not. Sundowns is going to wait, we're going to defend it. Siyabonga nge 3 point today Orlando Pirates nika yona. We are so happy.
Who is going to be your biggest challenge this season?
This season I think
Number 1.
jersey number 49. Khotsitsile is going to be our defense. Uya ozoba iphela endlebeni uKhotsitsile jersey number 49.
Yo bafowethu ngijabule kakhulu ngangiza kwethu okwenzakala namhlanje. So into engichazayo ucoach wethu singamblame, please gents, ningablame ucoach, usahlanganisa nabadlali futhi ningabakhulumi njani basahlangana ngendaba zani epracticing akufani nasenkundleni. So ngijabule kakhulu bafowethu nge 3 point. I so wish ngiqhubeke kanjalo siye phambili. Ngijabule kakhulu ngo07 Sister Bettina.
Magania, akakele emuva sibone Sister Bettina.
Yes,